Okay, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, can you introduce yourself?
I'm Rodora de los Santos, 25 years old, single, and I am willing to cook, wash clothes, clean house, and if you have pets, I can take care of them too.
Okay, what kind of pets?
Like if you have cats or dogs.
Okay, you don't afraid of big dogs.
Yes, I do not afraid of them.
Okay. Any experience as a housemaid in Philippines?
Yes, sir. My employer is Flordelisa de los Santos. She have 4 kids, ages 20, 18, and 16 and 14.
So big already, right?
Yes, sir.
You need to send them go to school?
No, they go alone.
Okay, if the 4 children they are fighting in the house, what are you going to do?
I will advise them to calm down and to to be concerned with each other. Right.
Okay, when you did something wrong or some mistake in the house, the employer angry with you, what you will do?
Of course, I have to say sorry for what I have did. Apologize to them.
Okay, you like to eat or you like to cook?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do you think you are a good cook? You can cook very well?
Yes, sir.
You look like so fat, right? Okay, if the employer gives you money to buy some food, how can you manage the money?
Of course, I have to look for the prices first, so I can budget all the money I have, so I can buy also those food that is listed on.
Okay, in case you are cooking in the kitchen, suddenly your mom call your name and want you to go outside, what you will do?
I have to turn off the gas stoves, so I could go out and buy those things.
Yes, right. Okay, this is the first time you go in Hong Kong, right?
Yes,
or you
sir.
want to apply to Hong Kong. How can you solve your homesick?
Maybe I have to pray. That's it.
Okay, any message to the future employer?
Hi, sir. Good morning. I am flexible. I can do tasks and willing to train too. If then I can easy to get along with others too. I am friendly, and if you have some things to do with me, then I will do it.
That's all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.